In times when quality, work safety, speed, creativity and adjustment are the most valued in the business world, you need a safe and reliable partner for comprehensive solutions. What you need is a partner who offers world-class expertise and state-of-the-art technology, a partner who is a regional market leader and who takes an individual approach to each project, creating unique and optimal solutions for each situation. What you need is a company which continuously creates new values and always keeps up with the environmental protection and construction engineering world trends. A partner that invests in its employees and community, simultaneously in service to man and nature. For more than 2 decades, EURCO has been a partner made to your measure. We pursue our mission through 6 core businesses. More than 200 successful projects of mechanical demolition of industrial and infrastructural buildings has made us a Croatian market leader. Our work methods guarantee safety and efficiency. Professional facilities removal is done with the state-of-the-art technology, while always keeping in mind sustainability and cost savings for our partners. We conduct processing and utilization of demolition waste in accordance with all waste management permits. Our technological processes are selected according to the principles of cost effectiveness and in conformity with regulations. When it comes to business processes that deal with human and environmental care, we are the most competent company for constructing new landfills and remediation of the existing ones. Also, more than 50 landfill restoration projects realized in Croatia and surrounding region place us as the market leader capable of conducting the most complex projects contracted in accordance with Red and Yellow FIDIC book. We are successful in the most complex environmental protection and waste management project preparation. Employees' expertise guarantees success in the designing field, particularly when it comes to construction removal and the landfill remediation projects. In the field of construction of water supply facilities, we offer our customers contemporary and comprehensive solutions. Our business vision is based on a people-first approach. EURCO company employees are professional, educated, proactive and satisfied individuals with the one goal: building a society based on sustainable resources. Sustainability of society is based on the implemented Enterprise Resource Planning software (SAP) and integrated system of quality management, environmental protection and occupational health and safety. Our corporate values are instilled in all realized and future projects. Our business partners show their faith in us by giving us new jobs, while our references open new markets. Continuous care about environment, employees, shareholders and our partners in every project has placed us as an important and successful Croatian and regional contractor. We are EURCO, trusted partner. Our community benefits from our work on daily basis, while we think in global terms. Driven by our vision and motto, we continuously improve our business processes while setting frameworks for social and technological progress. EURCO Technology in the service of nature.